Jackie, 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 Jackie. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is QuoiaLen. If this is your first time here, if not, welcome back, of course. Y'all, I'm almost at 200 subbies, so shout out to y'all. Shout out to y'all. If we get there, I'll be doing a giveaway, so if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But without further ado, we already know why we're here, so let's get right into the video. Y'all, I'm so hyped for this video. You clicked on the video, you clicked on the link, you know why we're here. We're here because of Jackie Aina. Jackie O herself. She did a collab with Anastasia Beverly freaking Hills, and this is why we're here. Like I said, y'all, this palette is amazing. Well, it's not even the palette. This packaging, like everything that the palette embodies, is freaking amazing. The moment I saw that it went live on her Instagram, like a little quick link or exclusive link, or they did some exclusive link or whatever, I went and bought it. I bought the PR set because I wanted to feel like I was on the PR list. So I bought the PR set. It came with a makeup bag. I actually didn't get my makeup bag with this. They're actually shipping it separately, which I thought was weird. Maybe they forgot and they're just like sending it to me now, but whatever. This is what I cared about. So obviously I just took the palette out of here. Y'all saw how it sits in here or whatever. This is beautiful packaging, like, y'all. I'm not throwing this away. I specifically bought this to be decor in my room when I renovate my room and like change my decoration around. I literally bought this for that specific reason. So no, I'm not throwing this away. So y'all don't have to worry about me. Just gonna sit that down real quick. So here's the start of the show. Oh, y'all, this packaging is fire. I honestly feel like this sets it apart from all of the other Anastasia palettes because, I don't know, this is like amazing. You see that shift? Okay, I don't even know. Okay, so y'all can see like it's like purpley and green, teal, and then it's like a taupe gold. Y'all, look, it shifts. This is so freaking pretty. And here's the inside. Take my little plastic out. Finally, here's the inside, you guys. I know y'all have seen 100 videos by now, so I'm not even gonna bother swatching them. If you want to see swatches, go to Jackie's YouTube page, and all the swatches and all the details will be on there. But I'm not gonna swatch it. I just want to get straight into these eyeshadows. So let's get it. So I don't even know what I want to do. There is this thing kind of going around on Twitter. It started yesterday or maybe the day before, where Alyssa actually made a video showing each individual eyeshadow. Hold on, let me find it real quick. So this is the video I'm talking about. If y'all follow them on Twitter, then you know what I'm talking about. So a girl was like, she made a challenge out of it, and she was like, pause the video 3 or 4 times, and whatever shadows you get, that's what you gotta do a look with. I thought about doing that for today's video, but I'm not. I'm gonna save that for another video. But I just wanted to know that is coming, because I definitely want to try that, because I already got my matches, but I might just do one on video whenever I do that video. But anyway, yeah, I thought about doing that for this video, but I'm hold off on that and do it in a separate video. This, I just want to see what I come up with my but yeah, like I was saying, I just want to see what I come up with my own creativity. I do have a couple of looks in mind, but I don't know what to do. It's just so beautiful. And I have to go to work per usual, but so I need to figure this out because I also have another video to film. But we're gonna get it together. So I think I know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna shoot for a halo eye today. My halo eyes never really come out the way I want them to because I can never find the center of my eye on both eyes. But we're gonna get it together. So yeah, I know what I'm gonna do. My eyelids are already primed. I use some Smashbox Concealer. It's basically the same color as my skin. So, and my brows are already done, as you can tell. No. Okay. So, okay. The first shade I'm gonna go into is this one right here, Supreme. Oh, I love it already. There is some kick up. I mean, but if you know Anastasia shadows, you know there will be some. So it's not really a big old deal for me. Now that Supreme is on, I'm gonna go into Pinker, which is this shade right next to it right here.
The cheat code.
And I'm just gonna blend that out with another brush. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C1 per usual. And the next color I'm gonna put on my lid is Zamn. It's this one right here. I've been waiting to use, oh dang, this is the one I want to use. Okay, anyway, I've been waiting to use that one, but oh, I think I'm gonna use my finger. Let's see. Oh man, this is beautiful. I ain't even put that much on, but I am gonna use my finger. To go over top of Zamn, I'm gonna take Trust Issues just to add a little bit of dimension. I'm gonna put it right in the center. And I'm gonna go ahead and line my lids, of course. And this is the Morphe liquid eyeliner. Like I said in my last video, this eyeliner and the felt tip are fire. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this Lancome mascara that I've been using in my last few videos. This stuff is fire too, like I said in my last few videos.
Jeffrey Daniel, the cheat code.
Okay, I'm gonna go do the rest of my face off camera and then I will come back and finish my eyes. Okay, so I'm back. Face is mostly done, so I'm gonna go back into the palette and I'm going to take Pinker. Y'all need a refresher. This is Pinker right here. And I'm just gonna sweep that on my lower lash line. Well, first I'm gonna stamp it. mascara. Put mascara on my lower lashes. For my inner tear duct and my brow bone highlight, I'm going to take Soleil, which is this one right here. Since this is a Jackie Aina collab with Anastasia, I'm gonna bring back one of her other collabs, which is the Artist Contour and Jackie Aina highlighter in the shade Le Bronze, and this is the first one. Not when she redid it with Le Peach, but this is the very, very first one. The original packaging, because the other one is gold, I think. You see it's rubbed off. I've had this so long. But yeah, that's gonna be my highlight for today. And now just to spray my face. And for gloss, I'm going to take my Sepia gloss from Anastasia as well. A little bit lighter, so I'm going to take this Milani Nude Lipstick in Nude Cream and just put it over top. I don't know how this is gonna work because this is a gloss, but whatever.
Jeffrey Daniel, the cheat code.
So yeah, y'all, this is the completed look. I mean, I clearly like the shadows. I didn't expect not to like the shadows because I'm already a fan of Anastasia Beverly Hills anyway, and Jackie Aina. So two of my favorite brands and people coming together to create this bomb palette. I didn't expect anything less than what I got. It's a black woman winning, so how can we not support a black woman winning? Like, I love Jackie and I love Anastasia, so here we are. I'm very happy. If you don't have it, I definitely recommend you going to get it. It will be in Ulta stores because I do work at Ulta, so I already knew it was coming to store. And so yeah, go get y'all hands on it. And if you don't have the money for it, be looking out for a giveaway from me because I will be putting one of these palettes, well, not one of this palette, in a giveaway. I'm not sure if I'm going to combine it with my 200 subscriber giveaway or give it away as a separate giveaway item in a completely giveaway on its own. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, be looking out for a giveaway from me for this Jackie Aina palette. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it. That way you can be notified every single time that your girl make a upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.